So we got Levi's Jordan 4. First pair I saw was a blue denim, but now we got the white denim and the black denim with the gum bottom. Ooh, let's see what that's like. All right. What's up, guys? Fresco BK here, live again at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. And thank you guys once again for liking and sharing all of our videos on YouTube, on Facebook, and a variety of different platforms. But we have a live unboxing look today at another super dope collaboration brought to you by Jordan Brand and Levi's. So if you guys have been paying attention to just sneaker climate in general lately, there have been a variety of different collaborations. So once again, this is the second and third installment of the Jordan Levi's collaboration with the black pair and the white denim pair, both brought to you by Jordan Brand and Levi's. But I have the box right here, box top, you guys can see. And please, out of the whole collection, the original blue set, this black one that I'm about to unbox right now, or even the white pair, which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. But here we have the Air Jordan 4 Levi's. So let's take a look at these. We've got the upper here, which consists of full denim throughout the entire upper area of the shoe. We have the wax coated laces right here, wax coated laces in black. We have the hang tag, classic to most Jordan 4 styles, with the Levi's on one side and the Jumpman logo on the other side. And that's on the left foot of the shoe. And as we take a look at the tongue, features the Jumpman sign there, along with the size, the shoe size, which is the size 11, and the Levi's logo right there also on the tongue. A few more hits on the upper, but we're gonna get to the outsole here. Outsole features a full gum outsole with the red hits that you guys can see, and the Jumpman logo right there in the middle. Midsole has the air unit right there. The denim also in the midsole, which leads to the rubber hit right here, along with more denim there. Let's get a look at the back tab, back pull tab here. We've got the Jumpman, fully denim in the back. Under the tongue, we've got the Air Jordan logo along with the Levi's. And on the insert of the left shoe features the Levi's logo. Insert of the right shoe features the Jumpman logo. On the outer panel, the red pull tab here on the right foot. I don't believe this one exists on the left foot, no. So we have the red pull tab only on that right foot. And one more look at the black Levi's Jordan 4 denim. And we're gonna transition now into the second pair, which is the white denim. So let's get to those. So we just unboxed the black pair. I got the blue pair to my immediate right. And lastly, we're gonna unbox the white denim Levi's Jordan 4. So similar box top to the other two that you see right here. And let me know which one you guys is your favorite out of the group. So let's put this down. One thing I didn't call out, see insert, which details the collaboration between Jordan Brand and Levi's. Got it right there. Packaging features the Levi Strauss Jordan Brand logo right there on the inside. Out of these three, which one is your favorite? I'm kind of leaning towards the blue denim, but this white denim pair is kind of nice, and the black is pretty cool too. But here we have the white denim Levi's Jordan 4. We have the wax coated laces, the white laces we have right here. We have the full denim upper, full denim throughout. So this isn't like a white color, it's kind of like an eggshell white, so it's slightly off-white. No pun intended, of course. We've got, once again, the air unit here. Hang tag, once again, white denim Jordan hit on the back. And as we get to the outsole, features the gum hit on the toe and also on the heel, but inside we have the same colorway that featured on the upper, so it's kind of like a off-white. It's not full white, and then we have the Jumpman right there in the middle. So one last look at the Levi's white denim Jordan 4. So out of the three, we got the black, white, and blue. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments which one is your favorite out of the group. We have all three available here at Stadium Goods. We're located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area. Please feel free to pull up. Download the Stadium Goods app. It's available on iOS and on Android. Please feel free to visit stadiumgoods.com if you have any questions or inquiries about anything regarding Stadium Goods. And last but not least, download the new Stadium Goods app available on iOS and Android. And shout out to Josh Vides for collaborating with us. As you guys can see, we had these limited edition shirts. So shouts out to Josh. Follow Stadium Goods on all social media platforms. I am Fresco BK, and salud.